Okay, here I still am at the West Bowl today. I'm going to shoot sort of a little bit of an experimental video here. This is going to be shot at 4K at 60 frames per second. So I've never shot at this with these settings before, so I'm just curious to see what I get out of this. But I'm going to shoot just a little bit here in 4K 60 frames per second to see what comes out of it. Not very exciting footage, but just experiment. .4K 60 frames per second does create larger file sizes by about 300%, more or less, I think. So we'll see. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Very good. Shoot like maybe I'll shoot 3 minutes of this. Just see how it goes. This is a test video. I'm not sure I'll even post this, but I might just for the hell of it. See how YouTube handles the 4K 60 frames per second in case I want to use it in the future. But a fairly drab day today, like I say. Winter in Scottsdale, such as it is. Get some rain tonight. See how that impacts the site. I don't think it'll be a very big rain event. A couple of hours maybe. Around 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. be the heavier part of the rain tonight. So alright, I'm just going to stop this here and I'll check it out when I get home.